Welcome, this is our job interview presentation.
Script for the two people or one interview. Then is modern real office.
Thanks for coming in today. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure to be here.
It's great to meet you. So let's start with a little bit about yourself. Tell me why you're interested in this position at Acme Corp.
I'll be following Acme Corp work in sustainable technology from some things now, and I am incredibly praise the environmental responsibility. My background is perfectly when your current project and confident it make up significant contribution to your time.
That's excellent. Your resume highlights your experience at previous company.
Yes, I am proud of my work in the project name.
Your resume highlights your experience. Can you tell me about a project you work on there that you're particularly proud of?
My work and that's my project. We face challenge and draw solution. So we manage the positive outcomes. This experience taught me an important lesson. Learn to skill beliefs and have valuable in the role.
This position requires a lot of teamwork and collaboration. Can you describe a time had to work with a difficult team member?
I work with a college who had a very different approach to problem solving. And then I did. Instead of letting it create conflict, I took the initiative to action taking with unlimited lead. So positive result. I learned the importance of open communication and finding common ground even though varying perspectives.
Your problem solving skills. This role also involves specific tasks. Do you have any experience in that area?
Yes, I do. My previous role and relevant experience, I confident is my stability to quiz, adapt, and excel in this area.
Any question for me about the role or Acme Corp?
Serious about specific question about the company of culture.
That's a great question. Do you have any other question?
No, I think that's all of for now. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, David. We'll be in touch soon to let you know next step.
Thank you, sir. Thank you again, sir. Again, sir. Nice to meet you again.